You need to create notifications before you build your cascade. But you can always edit the notification in the cascade. The notifications are found in your library. A notification is a message which can be sent over SMS, email, or text, and can be added in a workflow at any point. The notifications allow you to pass relevant information or the status in real time to the people who need to know. An example of a notification would be a generated report including information of how many responses have been received, the name of the responders, and who had started the workflow. You'll find all this information in the Dynamic Values drop-down. A notification could be scheduled to be sent out every 10 minutes after the cascade has started and send a final report when it has finished.